Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Lex Money Crypto. A lot of you guys, you're going to be looking at certain coins in your bag over these next 6 months and you're going to get shaken out. So in today's video, I've decided to jump back into VRA. We're going to have a look to see whether or not we should still be holding our bag or whether it's all over for VRA. But before we do get into that, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any important content. Let's get into it. Alright people, what is up? What is up? It's been a quite stressful time for VRA over the past, month? Ever since that roadmap came out, a lot of you guys, you're not happy, and I completely understand. You are well within your right to not be happy with that roadmap. Now, before we do start leaving negative comments underneath this video, saying it's a scam, saying it's a shitcoin, I'm going to take you through my theory as to why VRA has mapped out their roadmap like that, and why I still am semi-bullish. Let's get into it. Now, we'll start with the trading view, guys. So, we've been tracking this for a very long time. And we had a few levels. We had our accumulation, we had our time is running out, but then we also had a don't be scared zone right here, as I've told you guys many times on this channel before. Now, we did break down from this ascending level of support, and we're still in this don't be scared zone. Now, to complete this breakdown, guys, we've still got 30% of a decrease right to the very lows. If we have a double bottom here, which I could see happening for VRA with all of the FUD and with how much they want to shake you out, then we've got another 30% to go down, guys, and you have to be aware of that, because these next 6 months are going to be the make or break for a lot of you crypto investors. Now, at the moment, I'm finding it really hard to be super bearish, if I'm completely honest with you guys. The roadmap was whack, but at the same time, when there's blood in the streets, you got to be taking advantage of this, guys. You got to be taking advantage of this. When we were buying here at these levels, everyone was bullish. And to be honest, nothing has really changed. Yeah, the POV marker tokens, they need to sort that out. That will come with time. And all of this is just noise. And to be honest, the more FUD there is, probably the longer we're going to stay in here. And then as soon as everyone forgets about VRA, guys, we're probably going to have bottomed out again and then start to go. And then people are going to be re-chasing these pumps, okay? Now, I do want to say that, to be honest, in this next bull run, it's going to be one of the biggest bull runs of all time. And 99% of the coins that you are buying, they're going to have some pumps. Yes, some more than others, but the majority of coins are going to pump. And if we go over to their Twitter, then you can see their key updates here. And then everybody going mad in the comments. Even Queen of Diamonds used to be Queen of Diamonds VRA. They've removed the VRA from their name. So I don't see why they want to post this shit. And you scroll down and everyone's like, you know, everyone's pretty upset. Merch, are you kidding me? I don't want a fucking t-shirt. I want POV marker token sorted out. And again, fair enough. Now, I did say to you guys in a previous video, what happens when news events go live? There are big corrections in the market. What happened with the ETF? Everybody was so happy about the ETF. And then what happened? We had a big fat correction for Bitcoin. So I can see the same sort of thing happening for VRA. They want to delay their biggest news event until the end of the year, because the bull run would be in full swing by then, and they can ride the hype of this news event until the end of the year, guys. That is how I'm seeing it. You don't have to see it the same way, and again, it's not financial advice. You can do whatever the hell you want to do. You don't have to buy it, you don't have to sell, you can sell your bag, it really doesn't affect me. But that's how I'm seeing it right now, guys. Now, I want to move on and let you guys know that VRA staking is not available for the residents of USA and Cayman Islands, and never has been. And again, if you're trying to stake your crypto on exchanges, guys, please be careful. I've told my friends time and time again, don't leave your crypto on exchanges. I've told you time and time again, don't leave your crypto on exchanges. And I woke up to a message in the group chat from the boys today, and they said, can't withdraw my funds from KuCoin. They've completely barred my account. And it's not like we're super whales with millions of dollars in KuCoin, but they're barring our accounts, guys. So you need to be in control of your own crypto. And again, you could hold VRA on a ledger, you can hold the majority of your cryptos on a ledger, but it's so important that you keep control of your own crypto. If you are staking and you're staking on an exchange, it's like having double the risk and then double the risk, if that makes sense. But with all that being said, I do think altcoin season is it's coming. Altcoin market cap channel has turned green on a Gaussian. This indicated the massive start of the altcoin rally in 2017 and 20. Are you ready? I'm ready. And there are so many metrics. I'm covering it as well over on the Patreon to show you guys that it looks like alt season is coming up. We just need a few confirmations, and once this does start to print green, if we have all of our positions ready, we're going to have a fantastic alt season, regardless if it's VRA or the other bags. And that's why you have to have such a spread and diverse portfolio, guys. You know, if VRA does go to 0, that is going to be a massive shame. But the way that we're spread on this channel, and we've covered a lot of different coins on this channel, it means that, you know, taking a hit on 1 or 2 coins going to 0, maybe it just doesn't work out, you know, our overall portfolio is going to be okay. And that is so important, why you guys should not just hold one coin, whether it's Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, Sol, Matic, VRA. Don't just put all of your money into one coin, and don't just dump it all in at once. You need to have capital to the side to invest into these dips, and if you haven't, then you haven't been able to make the most out of this dip that we are on for VRA. And again, look, every great risk has big rewards. Buy VRA now where there is blood in the market if you have the courage. And again, it's not financial advice. If you are looking at VRA and you're just really not thinking it's going to do well, that's fine. And I'm not telling any of you guys to go and buy VRA. I'm just telling you guys why currently I'm not selling. I'm going to be holding. Maybe if we break down below that double bottom, then I'm going to start to really think twice about VRA. But for now, I'm in the don't be scared section. Now, we covered the patterns many times on this channel, but the Verasity patterns are going to generate a lot of revenue in the coming years, which will result in supply burns by the VRA team. VRA is an ad tech giant in the making, rolling out services globally. I recommend you do your own research. 1000x German again. I don't know about 1000x. You know, if they do start to roll out their tech into big viewing apps like YouTube or Twitch or whatever it may be, then yeah, we could be having some serious supply burns. And again, in these times, there's going to be so much FUD. And I've seen FUD in many different coins. And yeah, VeChain did see it as well. VeChain, one of my babies. But look, just became a VRA holder. Seeing the similarities between VeChain and Verasity made me invest into it. Also, it still hasn't pumped because of the FUD, but the fundamentals look really strong. Not wrong with VET. I also think I will not be wrong with VRA. And, you know, when there is blood in the streets and people were buying that basically 1 cent VRA and it's down 50% from where they bought it, then there's going to be a lot of angry investors. And I know there's going to be a lot of angry investors in the comments right now saying, no, it's a shitcoin, why are you promoting it? I'm not promoting it. I'm just telling you what I think of the situation because I am a holder. I'm not telling you guys to buy or sell or anything like that. But when there is FUD like this, I do try and make the most out of it. Unless it's like some really bad FTX type scandal, then I'll think twice and I'll probably try and get my money out as fast as possible. But look, guys, we're still in our don't be scared phase. We could have another 30% down, so be prepared for that if you are a VRA holder and if you are trying to ride the wave. If you're out, no problem. You guys can all let me know what your opinions of VRA is in the comments below. All comments are welcome, whether you love it or you hate it, no problem. And let me know what coin you want me to cover in the next video. Until next time, it's been your Weird Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.